how to add a keyboard shortcut for the Lumetri color, which will appear here after I modify something here at Lumetri color basic correction. So for example, let's say exposure is clearly visible, that is modified, and Lumetri color appeared, and to this FX button, how to add a shortcut key so that you don't have to come here to the left side. So come here to edit, keyboard shortcuts, and I want to use, let's say, Shift D, because in DaVinci I use that one, and that currently has its apply default transition to selection. Clear that one with the X. Okay, back to Shift D again. When you clicked on it, it gets blue. And come here to search and look for this Lumetri. Type in Lumetri and go down. I use this one, bypass Lumetri color effects. Drag this bypass onto the D. So drag, nothing is visible, and drop it there. And now that green triangle appears. If you want, you can save this preset. Click on the Save As button. Type in whatever you want, let's say 1, 2, 3, and close it with OK. OK again. And if I just click on the clip and press Shift D, nothing happens. Why is that? Because this portion is active. Notice that blue line. You have to click in here, and now this one is active. There's the blue line around it, and when this is active, now you can press Shift and D, and voila. You have to hold down both of them, both the Shift and D. So let's say hold down Shift continuously and press D, release the D. I'm pressing it down, releasing it. So that's how to add a keyboard shortcut for the Lumetri color inside Premiere Pro.